YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and lay down our frizz. As you can see, got a lot of frizz action going on, right? Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see how it's looking? What we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our heart, and we're gonna go ahead and start off laying down our crown. So let's go and lay this down. So I'm going right here, next angle, right here, right, next angle, right here, next angle at the top, angle here, right here, next angle right here, next angle right here, then the last right here. So make sure you're following along, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So now we're gonna go ahead and start down here to next angle right here. All right, next angle right here. Next angle right here, fellas. Here. Next angle right here, fellas. Next angle right here. On the next clip, I'm using my medium brush. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the crown. Then we're gonna go ahead and start right here. Next angle right there. Follow along if you need to. All right. Next angle is on top. Now y'all might see me going back and forth on some of the angles. I'm just really touching up on some of them, but just follow along if you can't really figure out what angles you need to hit. Then play back the video if you need to. Next angle right here. Next angle right here. Next angle right here. So we already did the crown. Let's go ahead and let's brush the hair down. Next angle right here. Next angle right here. Next angle, fellas, right here. Next angle, fellas, gonna be right on top right here. I know some of you may ask how many strokes you need to do. Just do 3 to 5 strokes. So next angle, right here. Next angle, we're gonna jump right here. Angle, final angle, right here. Brush, all right? And we're gonna do the same angles, follow along. The medium and the hard brush are very important because it's gonna really help lay your hair down. Then once you hit it with your soft brush, and then we hit it with the plastic bag, plus the oil, I promise you fellas, when you wake up in the morning, man, your waves are gonna be super nice, super shiny, and just super laid. Angle right here. Next angle, right here. Right here, fellas. Angle, right here. Next angle, fellas, right here. Next angle, right here. So after you're done hitting the crown, again, fellas, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit the back. Next angle, right here. Next angle, right here. Right on top. Right in the middle. Next angle, fellas, is right on top, right here. And again, when you're using your soft brush, you want to really, you don't really have to do too much, but you just really want to thoroughly go slow with it, not too fast, and just take your time with it. Next angle, fellas, right here. And y'all can see I'm going really slow, taking my time right here. Next angle, fellas, will be right here. So fellas, y'all see I got the plastic. This plastic bag, once your hair is totally laid, when you have no frizz at all, and then you apply your oil to it, your hair is gonna look really shiny, really wavy. Let's get it. So fellas, once the oil is on the plastic bag, now all we wanna do is apply the oils to the hair with the plastic bag. So let's get it. And you don't have to go fast. You can just take your time on this. You're just applying the oil to the crown area. That's it. Crown. Make sure you're going in the same rotation. So make sure you're hitting the angles right here. Next angle right here. Next angle, fellas, right here. And if I'm going too fast, just play the video back. Right here, fellas, next angle. Next angle's on top. Right here. All right, so then the next angle, fellas, is gonna be right there on that side. Right here. Now what you want to do is, after you already applied it to your crown, we're going to add some more oil on the plastic bag, and we're going to apply the rest of the oil onto our hair. So fellas, got the oil on here, let's get it. And with this, you really don't have to do no angles. You can just go in and start going away, laying down all that frizz. Let's get it. If you're liking the video, go and hit that like button, man. So yeah, so super easy, man, especially if you want to get your waves looking really nice. So fellas, y'all can see how I'm looking, man. Let me know how I'm looking so far. You can rate my waves if y'all want to. So we're still just applying the plastic bag. All right, I'm gonna hit right here. And y'all can just see how it's just laying my hair down. Amazing, bro. Y'all gotta like this one for real. Then you want to still hit those same angles. All right, still hit those same angles. So fellas, man, y'all can see it, man. Y'all can see the final results of the waves. Y'all let me know how it's looking, man, in the comments. I gave y'all a full breakdown video on the brush, everything y'all need to use, right? Plastic bag, right? And the oil you need to be using, right? So the plastic bag or the Ziploc bag, you can go to Walmart and get that, right? And again, this video is for 360WAVES beginners. Not a lot of people, have the funds to afford those other type of products, but hey, this channel gonna help you out. So just go to Walmart and get you a Ziploc bag, and then go to Amazon and get you some oils. If you would like to know what oils I'm using, but this how we looking though. So gang, we're gonna go ahead and put this do-rag on real quick. Let's get it. Let's tie this do-rag. Y'all know how this is. It's the easiest part. Let's go. This is really easy. This is probably the best part you wanna do. All right, this is the best part right here. I'm gonna put that do-rag on. I actually tie my do-rag a little different, gang. I go just like this with it, right? And I just put it right on top right there. Slap it right down. And let me show you how I'm tying the back. See? Tying the back just like this. Turn it. Bam. And we just gonna pull it down nice and tight. And there you go, gang, we locked in.